I purchased this mirror because I'm doing a remodel in a bathroom. So supposedly safe in bathrooms. Let's see how easy it is to install this huge mirror. So it came with this little accessories box. Oh, that's going to be an easy install. This is going to make it nice and easy. So they give you everything that you need, and you can install it either horizontal or vertical. Let me flip this thing over and check the other side, see how that's built. On the back side, they're going to have this. This is really well built. So they give you instructions. There's your instructions. But look at the build of that. It's got a good build quality, right? I would think this thing's built pretty well. You know, this is actually really easy to install. All you really have to do is find your level, what you want your height to be, right? That'll be your height. The way that this thing works is once you have this screwed into the wall, then this will rest just like that and be flush against. Try to catch one stud on each side because you get two of these, because I'm laying mine vertical. So I'll have one around here somewhere and one down here somewhere, and hopefully catch a stud with at least one. The other one I'll use the inserts. There it is. Nice natural color. Nice and clear, very clear. No warping around the edges. It still looks clear. Not bad at all. The finish I like. The thickness of the metal is really good. But the clarity, that's what I was interested in, is the clarity. And it's very, very clear. Natural colors. I like this quite a lot. I don't just review it. I actually use it.